So hello guys and welcome back to another video. I'm sorry that I haven't been uploading recently. I've just been a bit lazy with it really, and I promise that I'm going to be more consistent and there'll be more videos coming out. I want to aim for about 2 to 3 videos a week, but in this video you're going to see me picking up a Ford Fiesta that I won at Copart. It had quite minimal damage and I might have paid a little bit too much, or I might have got myself a bargain. I'm not really too sure. I was just kept on bidding on it. But the thing is that it done 48,000 miles. It had one previous owner and it was in a really good condition. So make sure you watch the whole of this video. You'll see me bidding on it, picking it up, then Copart loading it, a little walk around, and me offloading it. And you'll also see me taking the wing off. So there's plenty of content in this video. And yeah, there'll be a video of me picking up another couple cars. And more videos to come, and me repairing a Ford Fiesta. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And I am also trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before Christmas. So we have about 14 days until then. So hopefully you guys can help me out. Smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and also if you have any sort of suggestions or anything like that, then do leave them in the comments, because I'll go through absolutely every single comment, and all of your feedback is much appreciated. So without no further ado, enjoy the rest of the video and I'll see you guys in the next one. So we're literally just pulling into Copart now. I need to actually check in on the transportation app. Let me do that now. But as you would have already seen, we've bought a Ford Fiesta. It's a blue one. It's probably a bit quite strong money for it really, for the year of what it's on, but there's barely any damage on it. Well, fingers crossed there's barely any damage on it. Looks like it's just had a bit of a scrape on the wing, but it's got a logbook for it, one key, and yeah, it's got 48,000 miles, one owner, so hopefully it ain't too bad. But you'd have already seen me bidding on it and the photos of it. But yeah, we're literally just pulled up to the Copart entrance now. Right, I'm not quite sure how the audio, not the audio, sorry, the lighting will be, because obviously it's gone dark and the camera I've got. foot pack. Obviously ain't quite good for nighttime filming, but we'll try and make it the best we can. So if you can see, as you can see, the damage basically just like there. There's a nod on that wing, bumper. Hopefully a lot of that will all take it out. If not, I'll paint it. But new wing, and then can't really tell, can you, the lights quite shit. Yeah. I'll have to update you guys tomorrow and actually have a shot of it in the light, but so far it looks alright.
Just got a foot pack.
Foot pack in it and all the service history and stuff like that.
Ain't got a service history, is it?
Is it not?
No, that looks it.
But yeah, there's no point in me recording much more because you can't really see much, but
yeah, I think it's only just the wash though, isn't it?
yeah. Okay. Right, I need to go to the office and get logbook now.
Oh, very good.
Right, okay, so it's the following day. We've just taken it off of the, well, you saw last night that we took it off the pickup truck and then loaded the other Ford Fiesta on it. I'm going to take that home for now because of the parking at the unit. So that's going to go home for now. This is going to come in because it's obviously going to be a bit more of an easier repair. Now, it needs a good clean, it needs a good going over. But to be honest, for the age, I can't actually see many car park dents and dinks and dents and stuff like that. The only thing that I can see is a bit of rust in that corner there, which ain't a problem. I can get that done, do it myself. So yeah, but overall, for what the car is, everything's actually quite a good condition. And obviously that's all that is there. I think that's barely nothing. Yeah, I come with the logbook. I don't think I could find any service history, but that's not the end of the world. Especially on a year like this. Especially on this year. But all looks alright underneath here. It's all got its water in it. So yeah, I have already started it up. That sounds alright. Start it up. It sounds alright. The only lights that come up on the dash are petrol, handbrake, and then I'm pretty sure is that antifreeze? I'm pretty sure anyway. It's got aircon in it. It's got quite a good radio in it actually for the year. Is it Bluetooth? No, I don't think it's Bluetooth. I think it's got auto. But yeah, I'm going to give it a good clean up. Get that wing. I might just get a pattern wing for it, paint it, and just put it on and it's done then. But yeah. I'll be showing part 2 quite soon, because I'm hoping to get this turned around sort of in the next week. Make sure you go and like, comment, subscribe and share. It always helps me out, and I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers before Christmas, so hopefully that will happen. And make sure you always check my Instagram out as well, because that's where I get all my latest posts from, all of my latest stuff going on there, whether I need parts, either selling cars, all sorts. So make sure you stay tuned on that, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.